experience on the mosque Smooth Road. I am Hadiza Abdurrahman.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد.
Thank you, Hadiza.
Papa, let this old man even go set. Papa.
What happened?
Yes, now you consider.
Which question you are asking? Sit down. What happened, my pikin? I dey come. Wait. I dey come. Wetin happen, my daughter?
Papa, why did you poor like this?
You ask me why we poor?
I wan know.
My daughter no be small thing. Me wey you dey see so, I get money well before.
Chai.
See, now 20 years ago, during coronavirus, corona, I get money. COVID-19, I dey call am dey corona. COVID-19, I get money, but as wey be say government dey disturb.
Will you keep quiet?
Property dey help government. You see that company wey be say na the company dey reign now. That company no be the name wey I give am, na me get that company.
You be mumu.
You see this
Toyota
motor, na my company, na me get am. But I use am do charity organization for government. But at least I still thank God say I dey alive. So now when I no be say we poor, we no poor, na God. Now man just dey now dey receive, I just sit down dey hear news now dey get job. My daughter no poor.
Papa, it's not just how you talk so na true.
Na the truth I tell you, Abba, I no fit lie for you now.
If that person tell you go do me another time for this poverty, that's how you talk. How many
Both pikin wahala, you no born wahala. You know the suffer one suffer through coronavirus.